Number 41 wants me to create two new trapezoids by drawing in a vertical line somewhere so that the two new trapezoids have the same area. So I'm going to draw this line in red. And since I don't know where exactly to put it, I don't know what the x value is. Okay, so down here it's going to be x comma 1. Alright, and it's going to be 1 because it's in line with the a coordinate and the d coordinate. And so up here it's going to be the same x value, and the y value is going to be 4. Okay, so now we need the formula for a trapezoid, the area of it. Well, the area of a trap is 1/2 b1 plus b2 times the height of the trapezoid. And what that is your bases are the parallel sides. Okay, no matter how the shape is oriented, the bases are always the parallel sides. So say here's b1 and here's b2, and the height is always the perpendicular height between the bases. Okay, so let's, on the left side, left trapezoid and the right trapezoid. So the area of the left trapezoid is going to be 1/2, and the base from A over to the line I drew in is the distance of x minus 2. Okay, whatever the difference of those values are, plus the base from B to the vertical line, so that's going to be x minus 3, times the height of the trapezoid. Well, we're going from y equals 1 up to y equals 4, so the height is 3. Alright, so I'm going to multiply the 3 out front with the half to make it 3/2. And then simplifying what's in the brackets and parentheses, I'm going to get 2x minus 5. Okay, now the area on the right is going to be 1/2. And from D to the vertical line is going to be 12 minus x. Plus the other base, which is going to be from C to the vertical line, so 9 minus x. With the height of 3 again. And cleaning that up, we're going to do 3/2 again, and in parentheses or brackets we're going to end up with 21 minus 2x. So to figure out when these areas are equal, just set those two things equal to each other. And so we're going to have 3/2, 2x minus 5 is equal to 3/2, 21 minus 2x. Well, I can drop the 3/2, which I could show by dividing both sides by 3/2. Because then they just cancel. Or I could have just dropped them. So really what I'm trying to solve is 2x minus 5 is equal to 21 minus 2x. So I move the x's to one side, I'm going to get 4x, and move the 5 over, 4x equals 26. So x equals 26 over 4. Take half of each of those, 13 over 2, which is 6.5. So I am looking for an answer of E. Now this problem is, design, kind of to waste some time, eat up your time as far as your 60 minutes ago, because you could randomly try values of x and see what happens, but that will eat up a lot of time, as well as trying to come up with the formulas and solve them. But if you're not sure how to approach it, and if you like your algebra, if you're solid with your algebra, I would probably go this route, because you can just set up the equations and solve it and be done. There's no guessing. Something to note though, if you are going to randomly put in numbers to see if it'll work out, notice the numbers are in ascending order. Okay, they'll always either be in ascending or descending, but they'll always be in order. And so I recommend you start with C, and then depending on how the outcomes turn out, that'll help you decide, well, should I try a smaller value or a larger value? So then go either up or down depending.